Peregi mago anyuola mar Cheryl Ondari, achiel kuom jopuonjre 11 manowito ngimagi e masira mar mach e skul ma Utumishi Academy, Gilgil, dwaro mondo kwach kich otim nonro mochwiny ewi masirano. Ka gilose dalagi mayudore Narok e kinde ikruok e chenro mag iko nyargi, ginyiso luoro margi ni nyaka sani piny owacho pod oketo okenge makare mar kedo kod masiche mag mach matimore e skunde ma pacho ka, kendo ni masiche ma kamago koro medo jimbore.
It was hard. We had great hopes in her. We thought that being in school she'll make it through, but unfortunately she didn't. There are so many unanswered questions as to why this happened. Why? We have so many unanswered questions. We don't know who will answer these questions, whether it's the government, whether it is the school. But what I know is that this evil would have been avoided.
Tuko na maswali mengi ya kuuliza. How comes? How police wote? Some of the police ni waalimu. Some of the police ni madaktari pale. Some of the police ni staffs mahali pale. How comes wanafunzi wanaweza kumanage kuchukua kibiriti, mafuta, ipite kwa hiyo barabara yote paka ifike kwa dom, ishuri ichomeke for almost 2 hours or 3 hours bila hao kujua.
Our big questions as parents and many parents in our nation, they have so many queries. Where was the NIS? Where were the police? Who could have taken action